Good morning, everyone. It is currently 6:21 in the morning. I just got up at 6 and I just want to do just productive morning in my life type video. I just thought it would be fun. I need to do some things to get my week on track, and I just wanted to show you guys. I am off of work today. I don't normally get up this early on my day off, but I have to go in super early tomorrow, so I wanted to be sure that I was tired enough to go to sleep early tonight. So that's why I am up at 6 o'clock. My body is used to getting up this early because of work, so it's like not that big of a deal, but I really could have used a day to sleep in. So these bags under my eyes, we'll try to fix later. But right now, I just chilling on the couch. I'm gonna watch some TV, but I need to make some coffee. Oh, let's go make some coffee. Coffee. It tastes so good today. It's so great. My camera is about to die, so I'm going to just drink a little bit of this and probably watch like a YouTube video or two just to get myself a little bit awake. Realistically, this is what I do on a day off. I don't jump right into working, doing a to-do list and all of that stuff. I do like to take some time for myself, relax, because after a busy week of my 9 to 5, I want a chill morning on my day off before I start my own work. So that's what I'm gonna do right now, and I have to charge you guys anyways, so that works out, and I will come back to make breakfast soon. Alright, so it's time for breakfast, and on my days off I like to have a couple of waffles. These are the apple cinnamon ones. I don't really have time to like eat these during the week, my work week, so I like to have them on my days off because they are super yummy and they don't have a whole ton of like bad ingredients in it, and they are gluten-free. That's dairy and egg-free as well. I try to stay away from dairy. I don't mind the gluten, at least right now. These don't fill me up very much, maybe for like an hour or so, so I will probably eat this and then come back and have a smoothie that I made yesterday that I have left over in the fridge because I didn't finish it. Is that good for me? I don't know, but I'm going to just have these waffles for now because I need something in my stomach. And also I dip them in this syrup. It's organic, pure maple syrup, so there's not like all the added ingredients of like other syrups like what Kailey uses. Kailey uses Mrs. Butterworth's, which I love the taste of this, but looking at the ingredients is just like all fake. It's just, it's insane. But yeah, I like this one a lot. It is 8 o'clock now. I just got out of the shower, just took a little body shower, and I'm pretty much just going to clean up a little bit just so I have a fresh start to my space here. So I took a shower, I got changed into a different sweatshirt and biker shorts. So was it what I was wearing to bed? Yes, but different because they are all clean and have not been worn yet. So I changed into that so I feel like dressed, but I also still want it to be like comfy for my day at home. And I just threw up my hair up in just a clip. I love to do this, especially with like these clips. I love them from Amazon. I'll probably get ready later because I have to take some pictures today, I think, at some point, and I don't like to have hours old makeup for that. So it is 8 o'clock. I'm going to do a little bit of a cleanup. I did a lot last night with tidying up, so I don't have to do that much today, but there is still a little bit that I want to just top off. Alright, the apartment is clean. It feels so nice to have just like a fresh space. I have the windows open. It's a nice cool day out there. I might have to close this window if I'm going to stay here actually. It's currently 58 degrees here in Rochester. But yeah, last thing I'm going to do before I wrap up this video is just do my to-do list. I have a couple of things already written down that I wrote down last night that I wanted to remember to do. I don't think I have anything else that I really need to get done today, so I'll just show you guys what I have so far. I don't even know if you guys can see this. Alright, so far I just needed to finish filming a video that I started unboxing my new phone. I had never done one before, so I'm not really sure that I like how it turned out, so I may or may not be uploading that. But I had, or film a new one, which I'm doing right now. I want to get that edited because I need to upload a video tomorrow, and I was expecting to like my iPhone video to edit and get up tomorrow. So we'll see about that. But I also want to take some Instagram pictures. I was thinking of maybe doing like a reel or TikTok with that, of how to take pictures at home, because I probably won't be able to go out anywhere today to get that done. Then I also want to make a TikTok. Yeah, so that's pretty much all that I do on a morning that I don't have to go to work. So yeah, this has been the most realistic morning in my life to get myself ready for the day of content creation. So it is currently 8:30. I'm going to get to work on everything that I need to get done today. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you some good like inspiration or whatever, and just showing like, you know, life mornings do not have to be this whole like, I'm gonna eat so healthy, I'm gonna go work out, I'm gonna drink my water before my coffee. Like, I can't do that. I just can't. So I just hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, as always, hit that like button so that I know you guys want to see more videos like this, and subscribe down below as well. And follow my Instagram if you would like. It is at Kailey Christine. I am posting over there every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, as well as like daily Instagram stories and all of that stuff. So if you want to follow me there, go right ahead. But on that note, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.